In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a recurring event in the Skool Calendar. This process is simple and straightforward, ensuring your events are automatically scheduled at your preferred frequency. So let's dive into it and get your recurring events up and running in no time. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Skool website. You can easily find it by doing a quick Google search for Skool. Once you're there, click on the top search result to be directed to the Skool homepage. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and log in using your Skool account credentials. Now that you're logged in, look at the upper left corner of the screen. You should see two arrows. Click on them. This will take you to your list of communities. Next, choose the specific community where you want to add your recurring event. Now locate the calendar tab and click on it. In the calendar view, you'll notice a plus sign in the top left corner. This is your gateway to creating events. Click on this plus sign to begin setting up your new event. The next step is to give your event a name. Simply type the event name in the provided field. With the name set, choose the date of your event from the calendar. Click on your chosen date to select it. Time is of the essence when scheduling events, so you'll also need to specify the time your event will begin. After setting the start time, consider how long the event will last, and set the duration accordingly. Each event should also be associated with a time zone. Click on the time zone field and select the one that applies to your event and audience. Now for the key step that makes this guide special, making this a recurring event. Check the box labeled recurring event. This tells the system that you want this event to happen more than once. You can customize the frequency and conditions of this recurrence by clicking on the additional options available. Once all the details look good, the last thing you'll need to do is click on the ADD button to finalize the creation of your event. This will ensure your event is scheduled and visible to all members of the community, appearing at the interval you've set. That's all there is to it. Creating a recurring event in the Skool calendar is a breeze. By following these steps, you can ensure that all your important gatherings, meetings, or other events occur regularly without having to set them up manually each time. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling on Skool!